Hey guys, what's happening? Birdman 316 here. Today we are having a revisit look of the 20th anniversary Squier Affinity. Now I'm not sure if the original 82s were called Affinities or whatever the Squier as far as the series was, but let's just say that for the sake of the discussion that I don't know. I'm not sure when the Affinities came on, but anyway, this is the 20th anniversary. I will show you the plate right here. Hopefully the camera will pick it up. There we go. This is a 2002 model. I'm guessing that it means that that's when the Squiers were first came out in 1982. But back then I don't think they actually had the Affinity series. I think the Affinity series maybe came out in the mid-90s maybe? Early 90s or whatever, I'm not exactly positive, but there's loads of reviews on this guitar, I'm pretty sure. But I'm just documenting different sounds and stuff this one makes before I change it around a little bit. Now these strings are old and they're really dull, but I mean for the sake of documentation it'd be okay. I think that's satisfactory. Just a little bit of a tick there. You can tell the strings are dull. But we're going to carry on anyway, guys. Let's get some few little riffs here. Something about this amp quickly before I get back into the tunes. Now, this amp here, I just found out about this. The monoprice 15 watt tube amp does not have an overdrive switch. It has, starting on the left side, it has gain and volume. Now the gain is actually required for it to have some kind of volume. I don't know what the deal is, but that's just how it is. I have a Squier Champ 15, which is the same way. It does not actually have its own overdrive switch. But, I mean, that's why it sounds a little bit broken up, just a tiny bit broken up, but the gain is on like just a little ways past 1. We can back it down just a little bit. Back it down to 1, just a tiny tad there. But you can't back it down much more than that because it actually turned the amp off. It has to have some kind of gain to work anyway. But this is how it is. Now, we were on a neck pickup. Now this was wired correctly. I have not been under this scratch plate. I have no idea if it's got double bars under there, under these pickups, or just single bars. Ceramics, of course. Now we're on, I guess you could say, position number 2 or 4, whichever way you look at it. But in other words, we're right here. Breakup. That, to me, that's good. I guess it shows the characteristic of your pickups here. Now we're in the middle pickup right here. That's because there's no 6th string up here and the tuner is just dangling. Now we are here. reach over here, turn on the Vintage Overdrive by Joyo, which is simulating a tube screamer. A little more than usual. So I've got the gain turned down pretty much on the overdrive pedal itself. Okay, so I forgot to tell you we're right here. Now we are right here. Lost my rhythm there. Now we're here. Now we're on neck by itself. Okay guys, here we go. We are getting ready to do the surf test, which is the law. We're turning the reverb of the amp all the way off. The overdrive on the Joyo's off. Now we're turning on the Combo Deluxe 65 reverb, which is cranked all the way to like 9. Ooh! That's just with my finger. You can hear the drip. Oh yeah. Even though these strings are dead, they still sound decent. That's right, there we go. We got to do that surf test. It's the law when you have single coils. Whether they're Telecaster, Stratocaster, P90s, whatever. Even a split humbucker. It's the law. You got to do the surf test. But anyway, guys, that was the sound samples of the stock 2002 20th anniversary Squier Stratocaster here. Guys, I want everyone to do me a monster favor. Have a great day, have a great night, wherever you are. And always remember, keep rocking, make the world a better place, guys. This is Birdman 316. Sayonara.